Okay, nice. So gap right there. Boom, immediate resolution there. Wow, that's fantastic. I'm gonna take one share here because this thing could be pretty wild. All right, let's see it. Dip. We have like a soft target, 656. It's super bullish. Mega bullish. Okay.
TMC.
There's some selling here happening at 50s.
EOSE. SXTP. TMCWW. TMC. NUAI. IBRS. CAPT.
So we got that 1 minute gap here. We like that. Please hold. Dip into this gap. And then we're gonna take this for the next move.
RKLZ.
I might not even do that, to be honest.
CABA. SXTP. CORT. SXTP. USAS.
Yeah, this stock is crazy.
TMCWW. CABA. CRVS.
Dang, it's skipping everything here. Wow.
AMPX. RR.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
CABA.
How much power it has.
And UAL.
720. Yeah, there's no stopping this one.
SXTP. TMC. UAMY. LAES. USAS. BRMA. LAES. TMCWW. CABA. CRVS. CRVS. IRD. CORT. IRDS.
Yeah, another target right there, 740, 730. Yeah, jeez. It's just, this thing's gonna keep going, it looks like, man.
ONDL. IMSR. SEGG. NUAI. QSU.
So lots of green.
SLS.
So we can grab a dip into it, 689 being our stop.
CRVS.
Maybe.
USAR.
Hold down is 550, so it's okay. I'd love to see it dip. First dip, first massive dip is going to get bought out, that's for sure. So 689 is going to be kind of my stop. Dip under 7 or at 7.
SKYS. LAES. SVACW. OMAS.
Okay, it did go into that. Okay, so the high was 730, so that was not bad. Shoot, I was looking for under 7. That might have been a little too much. A little too greedy on my end to try to find an entry at under 7. That was a beautiful dip. Let me see if we can get another dip here. If it wants to provide another dip.
SKYX. CRNX. OMEX. HCT.
Not a chance.
GOR. ABB.
Maybe it wants to provide another dip there.
SATL. MPL. NUA. NIT. BRME. IMSRW. CRMS. AREC. SVACW.
I mean, that's a 40-50 cent drop. 40-50 cent gap. Green gap there. We're being patient. I mean, I'm eager to trade it, but I want to get a good entry. If it's just blowing through, then it's kind of hard to get in. Okay. If it's gonna keep going, the entry's probably gonna be like 780, 790 for the breakout. We'll see. Maybe another dip.
GLSI. NEOD. NITO. NITO. CMCT. USAR. IRWD. SATL. SATL. CRMS. CAPT. And UAI.
It's holding pretty strong, that 5-minute candle.
IBRX. CRMX. BOLA. SXTP.
Yeah.
GOR. Index.
32. What is this low here? 709.
NUAI. GLSI. IMSR.
Below 7 could be a really good entry below 7 if it doesn't come crashing down. I'll give it a try. Red gap's being formed, but that's okay. Might get a dip below 7 here.
HCT. TMCWW. SKYX.
96.
HCTI.
Yeah, I'm getting caught there. Wow.
USAR.
Ah, massive loss there. Looking for that dip. I was thinking of getting it out at 7 too, right on that. Ah, that sucks.
HCT.
So lost 20 cents on it. 96 out 76.
HCTI. NUAI. CMCT. IOTR. ROLR.
Could still be holding, but it's risky, brother. It's risky.
HCT. RKLZ.
I dove into that dip. It was better to dive into this dip here.
SHPH.
It could still reclaim, so I'm gonna be mindful here that it can get into 650, 640s could be good too. I'm also taking a bigger side, so that's okay. So 650s. There's a gap, right? Beautiful gap right there. On the 1 minute too, under 650. Probably not going to do that. We'll see what it wants to do.
RKLZ. ECGL. FNK. NG. FNKO.
Okay. You got over 7 pretty quickly there. We might form a gap right here. We're going to take this breakout. 7. 710. 20.
JAGX.
What is this? High 33, so 30.
CSEX. SXTP. CMCT. GLSI.
Yeah. Ooh, no. Jeez. Okay, I'm getting caught here. 26 on that entry. Don't really like this too much. Taking that 10 cent. Dang, bro. Okay, I gotta be careful. Gotta size down now. Massive loss today. All right. Trying to catch that gap and go, but jeez, two trades. That's crazy.
ESQH. ONEX. GLSF. NUAI. NVIDIA. JAGS. BCARW. GLSF. NUAI. RLR. NB. FMKO. JL may resume in less than a minute. SKYX. JAGX. NAMM.
Yeah. So this thing is gonna go through now, watching. I'm bullish on this one, so yeah, let's do it. Watching this. 40, I'm in at 47.
CMCT.
It printed 50.
JL may rest in 10 seconds.
There you go, print 50 again.
EL. WS.
Getting out.
SKYX.
Getting out flat.
ABT.
It had to go. It printed 50, so it had to go there.
GOR.
So now let's see if we can go and find it at 648. Massive dip. Wow. I wish it could have gone right there because I printed 50. Oh,
CMCT.
beautiful bounce here.
YOUL. EL. WS.
If it prints 50, it might actually go this time now. Pretty bullish.
YOUL. CENA. GORA.
So I have to be confident with my next trade. It comes with the size, right? So I'm taking 600 shares from the kind of spready stock because it's time to size up. It's time.
EL.
Doing it
WS.
slowly but surely.
RGT.
So they're big sellers here. Whoever is sitting up here is going to get squeezed.
RDT. CENA. GORA. UABS. YOUL. RGTX.
So this one's moving very nice here.
NTLA. OPRT. CMCT. CMCT. TCGL.
Let's see.
ONEX.
Ooh, that's lagging.
UABS. ELUG. CMCT. DPRO. GORA.
It's facing resistance, so it might reject here. So I'm waiting for it to get into the fair value gap.
RAY.
47.67, maybe a dip in the 50s.
UABS.
Dip in the
CMCT.
50s.
SKYX. USA.
Dip in the 50s.
CMCT. RAY. YOUL.
No dip.
ELUG. CMCT. UABS. USAR.
With a stop at 47.
NUAI. GORA.
Here we go. This thing is coming up here again. Whoever's sitting up here is going to get squeezed, it seems like.
EABM.
So if it prints 50, man, it might just blaze right through. There's somebody there. Yep.
SXTP.
Wow. You saw that? That was incredible, man. That was incredible. What a trade. What a trade. That was incredible, bro. So confidence in my trading, beautiful. I knew somebody was gonna get squeezed here because it came up here so many times. Man, that's insane. So this one dipped right there. We might see a good move here. So that was a good dip. High of this is 90. So if we print 90,
CMCT.
might actually break through here. I don't want to eat a loss. 90. I'm bullish on this one. Maybe a little too bullish here.
BTZ.
I'm seeing green. I'm seeing green here.
CMCT.
Now make it out. Small loss there. It printed 90. I'm thinking the same thing has happened here. Somebody's going to get squeezed, but we have a red gap over here. Wow.
BTZ.
SXTP. CMCT.
NAMM.
Oh man, what? That's crazy. This stock is crazy right now. So it wants to keep going higher. Somebody's getting squeezed. So we're going to take a. Now I got to find a good setup, right? Now I got to figure out who's.
SXTP.
This one's looking good too for a nice trade.
ASTI. HYMC. NAMM. RKLZ. CORD.
ESQH. NAMM. SXTP.
60s holding. 40s. I'm in at 44. It's important that we don't retest my entry, please.
ESQH.
I'm at the low of the gap.
NAMM.
Yeah, I'm getting caught there. Ah, dang it. Okay, low of the gap. I was trying to get that push, but it was too much selling. Getting caught there for 10 cents. A little over 10 cents. All right, well, back to flat, red, so on and so forth. Looking good. This was looking good too. Here we had a seller. We squeezed him out after I got destroyed on this drop, and then another trade. I think here,
CMCT.
looking for the same squeeze. Well, look at this, right? It goes all the way down to 30. My entry. Did I get stopped out? Wait, I got stopped out 30. It goes down to. I got stopped out 33. It goes down to 30. Man, that sucks. So
SXTP.
yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna hold the gap, but you know, I gotta make sure
CMCT.
I gotta give it more room, I think. It's disrespecting the gap. Same thing that happened, I think, 2 days ago. So going back up here again, 90. Now is it gonna break? My double top.
RGC.
So we're about to form a gap right there. 467.
CMCT. JAGX. RGC. WT.
CORD.
Yeah, the false breakouts are a little nutty.
SXTP.
NAMM.
CMCT.
I-67. So there's a seller up there. What did it go? 502?
OPRT.
There's a seller at 502. It's a small gap right here.
NIT.
67.
PRUG.
CMCT.
So there are some orders right there, 67.
CORD. RGC.
Dave, test those orders. Let me see.
NUAI.
Testing.
OPRT.
NIT.
Test those orders.
LAES. PRUG.
NUAI.
RCAT.
I want to hold a little longer, but
SPHL.
I'm trading pretty much gap and goes. So that's a gap. Respect to 70s. Got a 90s. Yeah.
BAX.
CMCT.
Dang, look at that.
CMCT.
So it's squeezing. Things are squeezing. So same thing there again.
NUAI.
SPHL. SXTP.
RGC. CRNR.
Wow.
RCAT. LAES.
CMCT.
SPHL. CABN.
$5 here.
PLUG.
SPHL.
Dang. Not sure how to trade it right now. We have a massive liquidity zone up there.
RGC.
CMCT.
SPHL. CABN. LAES.
RGC.
YOUL. CRNX. NUAI.
IOTR.
ASTI. NUAIW.
All right, so the excitement kind of died down a little bit. This was good. I mean, I got in too high, 44. I had to wait a little longer, I think, or maybe get in with smaller size. But there were more orders down here, you know? So it bounced right off 30. I'm getting now 33.
CRNX.
CRNX. ONDL. CRNL.
So there's a gap right here in the 70s. There might be more orders right here in the 50s or 60s. So I'm ready to take a dip down there.
USAR. CRNL. GORN.
SXTP.
NUAI. PLUG.
No. 70s the top of that gap.
CMCT.
GORO.
RGC.
We'll see. We'll have to stay patient here. We took 7 trades already.
CMCT.
USAR. SPHL may resume in less than a minute. RGC. GORO. NUAI.
We'll have to be patient. Again, comes down here to 70, 78, and it gets popped right back up. Man, is this thing gonna give a move right now?
LXRX.
Volume is lighter,
RDW.
but the top of the gap again.
HYMC.
So I'm thinking it's going to be,
RGC. IoT.
if it reclaims 5, it could be interesting.
RGC. CORD.
NAMM.
NAMM. HYMC. QBTZ. RDW.
RGC.
CORD.
Shoot, did I miss this by a split second? You get back over 60? Seller.
RGC.
Okay, LS.
IoT hard.
We'll see. 5-minute looks pretty extended, like we just topped, double top right there. We'll wait. SXTP, we'll wait. We'll be patient on this. Might be a little, might come down a little lower. Missed that dip to 54.
RGC.
RGTZ.
Okay,
SVACW.
maybe we can get a dip down here.
SPHL.
SPHL. CORD. QBTZ.
Right under 55. 5-minute needs to close right here.
NAMM.
5-minute closes right here.
SVACW.
RGTZ. Okay, LS. US income.
Okay, so
HYMC.
volume is pretty good, I think.
SPHL.
I want to get a dip though. Don't want to buy it up there.
SPHL.
SPHL. Lower volume. SXTP dropping into the 5-minute gap, but it's just
CRMS. SPHL.
SPHL. CORD. SPHL halted to the upside.
okay. Let's get that dip under around 50 with the stop at around 49. Let's see, 54.
Okay, LS.
Under 55.
SVACW. SPHL.
54 was the top of that gap. Let's see. 53. Still red.
SXTP. CMCT.
Here we go. Come a little lower.
CORD.
SPHL.
Waiting for my gap, being patient,
SXTP.
waiting for my gap.
CT index.
SVACW.
ETRM.
Almost took it 54. This volume, it's a little weak. Green volume seems a little weak here. Might come down again. So we'll see. We have a massive 5-minute gap. This is a small 1 minute, but there's a massive 5-minute as well. So we're looking for this just to tap it, just to get in there,
SXTP.
test low 50s, maybe test right under 50, bounce back over 50. We'll see how well it resolves.
DRCT. CT index.
SXTP.
USAR.
We'll see. Holding that area.
DRCT. EWG.
Didn't want to jump into the gap. Okay, now am I going to the gap?
CMCT.
This one is also moving here.
DRCT. USAR. GRAR. EWG. CRMX. CRML.
DRCT.
SPHL.
54. Now we're gonna see a drop. Hopefully it's not a massive drop.
GITS.
There's some buyers down here.
VDE. CMCT.
Will there be buyers down there? Let's see. 53.
EWG.
Buyers at 53.
DRCT.
CRMX. CRML.
Okay, 53 had good buyers. I should have taken that.
PHL may rest in 10 seconds.
All right, coming down here again, because the volume was still pretty big. Retesting 53. We might see buyers come in right under 50. Come on, sellers take over for a second. Buyers step in right under 50. And I would love to see that.
GRAL.
CMCT.
BABX.
Maybe buyers don't want to step in. Or maybe sellers don't want. Okay, here we go. This one is crazy now. About to form a gap right there, 519.
CMCT.
What are we gonna do? 50s. Somebody's gonna squeeze down the 40s. See how 40s hold.
CMCT.
Back over 40, back over 40. Yeah, it's back over 40. Let's go. I'm in at 44, pretty high.
CT index.
I'm bullish on this, but it's pretty high.
EWG. USAR.
It's pretty high, but it could resolve.
CMCT.
FCEL.
Go, 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 go. No, taking it out. So maybe a little lower. The dip at 30s worked. I mean, I'm not taking the dip anymore. I'm waiting for it to come back over the level that I wanted to get it at. And then
HYMC.
see the squeeze.
CRMM.
CMCT.
30s, back over 40s. There, that's the one.
LMND. NTLA.
So
RUN.
this is good though. We're forming a nice gap here. Oops.
ROLR.
We're forming a nice gap, and I would like this gap to be tested by the next candle. 38 to 19.
CMCT.
I know we can do it. This candle can test it. This candle can test 38. With the stop around 19.
SPHL may resume in less than a minute.
ROLR.
CMCT. GRAL.
CMCT.
USAR. CTMX. FCEL. UUU. NITO. USAX. NTLA.
We can still test that gap, which will be beautiful if we do. We also have a 5-minute gap right under there. So we're likely going to test this gap. I have a strong feeling we're going to test this gap.
USAR. GSPHL may res in 10 seconds. FCEL.
Dang, man. Come on.
OMEX.
1 minute didn't want to test. Pushing.
NUAIW. SKYX.
CMCT.
So we're going to look at 30s under 50.
SPHL.
Right back over 50.
SXTP.
SVACW.
Lots of selling there. Oh, come on. Give me that entry, bro. Give me that entry. I saw low 40s on that. Give me that entry. Here we go. Give me that entry.
SXTP.
Give me that entry. There are buyers down there. Give me that entry. Come on. There it is. That's the entry. I want it. I'm in at 38. Buyers are kicking in here. We're at that gap. So we're holding this one, brother. We're holding this. We're in at 38. Beautiful entry. Exactly what I wanted. So the top of the gap, to be honest, but still, this could be good. Hopefully buyers kick in here. 19. 19 could still hold. Buyers are kicking in here. Nah, man, I'm getting cooked. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks.
SXTP.
I'm still holding because it disrespected a gap before. So I could do it again.
ROLR.
22. Come on. There it is. I might need to unwind a little bit here.
SXTP.
Reduce risk.
ROLR.
I'm seeing a lot of good volume there, but if it doesn't want to move, if my idea is just gonna fail, unwinding some. Okay, good.
R. U.
ROLR.
ASM.
Unwinding some more. Yeah, I'm only have 200 shares. So my idea could fail.
CMCT. BCX.
That was such a beautiful gap.
SKYX. HYMC.
Yeah, I'm getting out of there. Okay, well,
SEGG.
it's not holding the gaps too well. Look at this thing coming down to 16. Yeah, good thing I managed that well. But man, that sucks. That really sucks, eh? So we do have a gap again. It could still pick up orders down there. Like that's the 5-minute gap now. That's the orders it picks up.
SEGG.
Dang.
ROLR. NAMM.
GME. WS. ACHC. STEX.
Yeah, so I'm getting stopped out right when it's going to be moving for the next leg. It's disrespecting these gaps, man. I'm not, haven't been too fun that these gaps are getting disrespected. My idea is not working. So how do we adjust? Like, do we just wait for the gap to get disrespected, get the lows? It happened already once here, twice here. Yeah, probably.
CMCT.
Probably the case.
CORD.
So what now? What with this? So maybe pick up orders again around 510.
SPHL may rest in 10 seconds.
Okay, this one is entering 54.
SXTP.
Let's see if this respects the gap.
NZ.
CMCT.
Gap and go here. High of it is 45.
SNCL.
I like this. Get under 50, see if it gets back over 40 over. Get under 50 and see if it gets back over 50. But it looks like it might actually go here. Nice, let's wait for this gap to form
SNCX.
and
CMCT.
see if it comes down.
SVACW. GME. WS.
SVAC.
Down, 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 down.
GLSO.
That was nice. Yeah.
HYMC.
CMCT.
GME. WS.
SVACW. GLSL.
RDW. USAS.
CMCT.
If a gap, squeeze could be right at 90. It's hard to say what they think this thing's gonna do, man.
SVACW.
MSTZ. RDW. SVAC.
Dip down there.
SVACW.
So what's happening here? We got it grabbed liquidity down here, low fives, 510, 520, 15. Now we're forming sort of like a cup and handle. So we're gonna grab liquidity again, 530s, I think. Let's see.
UBTZ.
Because that's where this other gap was before. I'm gonna grab it right at 530s.
SVAC.
I'm gonna keep it pretty tight.
STGW.
If I see 530s, it gets back over 40s. Might take it. 30s.
NAMM.
Yeah, let's do it.
SVACW.
Toggles are kicking in here, maybe 44. I need this volume here, brother. I'm gonna keep it tight now.
NAMM.
I say no. I'm losing 4 cents on that. Might still come down lower. Look at this. NAMM. Man. Beautiful move there. Tapped the gap. I ignored it. And it actually kept going higher. Very nice. So instead I'm trading this kind of weird momentum I'm seeing with this one. But what a move this one is. Nice. Nice.
HYMC. EANL.
EANL.
So again, it could grab liquidity one more time down here. So fives.
NAMM. SPHL.
EANL.
EANL.
RDW.
NAMM. SPHL.
USAR. FNKO. UUUU.
Yeah. Jeez, that's good. That's good.
EANL.
NAMM. RDW.
NAMM.
Shoot.
USAR. HYMC.
SPHL.
Yeah, I missed it, you know. What are we gonna do here? 92 to 74.
FNKO.
SVACW.
HYNC. USAR.
SVACW.
FNKO. MUAI.
SPHL.
CRSP.
There's buying, but there's sellers keeping it down.
NAMM. RTW. MUAI. STGW.
Might be buyers under 5. At this point, there might be more buyers under 5, right under that gap. 495, 485 maybe.
NAMM. EDYN. RTW. PANL may resume in less than a minute.
I gotta stick to my gaps, bro. I'm trying to adjust too much
HYNC.
for the stock when it's clearly not working for me.
CAT.
There's the orders. 89.
MUAI.
90. Get back over 90.
PANL may res in 10 seconds. RTW.
Back over 90.
RCAT.
Yes.
EDYN.
90. Yes. Might be a little bit too bullish here when I shouldn't be. Ah, man, I got cooked there. Okay.
SPHL.
This thing is exploding.
NAMM.
Can we grab a little something here? Maybe nice gap right there. 310 to 316.
BGL.
BGL.
Yeah, bad loss today. What are we at? 198.
SVACW.
NAMM. HYNC. RTW. PANL may resume in less than a minute.
It's a nice dip down there.
NAMM.
NAMM. HYNC.
27 was that low. What's this high? 19. Maybe you can grab a dip there.
KOLD.
Right on the gap. This seems to be respecting gaps better.
CMCT may res in 10 seconds.
Dip.
PSNL.
SXTP. PANL.
19.
CRSP.
SPHL.
HYMC.
PANL. ELPW.
RCAT.
SPHL.
USAR.
PANL.
It's kind of moving there. Testing 27, 26. Retesting that again. Jeez, very good. Very good.
SPHL.
UANY.
Yeah, okay. Gotta go back and play the gaps, huh? I'll play the gaps.
USAR. KOLD.
I will play the gaps. This is working so much better. Gotta stay away from that crazy, crazy momentum that doesn't make sense.
NAMM.
NAMM.
Nice, nice move there. 60. Beautiful. Oh, what a move. What a beautiful move.
LG.
Maybe we can grab a little something here. Test 50, see how that looks.
NAMM. SVACW. ROLR.
DNA.
DRCT.
ELG.
NAMM.
DNA. ELG.
NAMM.
LMND. DNA. HYMC. ELG.
CAPT.
DNA.
ELPW. CAPT.
CAPT. DNA.
Okay. This one is respecting the gap much better.
PG.
CAPT.
We'll see what it wants to do. Will there be another move? I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times.
DNA.
That's a push, right?
VOLD.
Yep, 4 times it is.
NAMM. CAPT.
NAMM. VOLD.
NAMM.
NAMM.
ROLR. SVACW. NAMM.
Wow.
NAMM. KOLD.
Looks like we're gonna go to $4.
SVACW. NAMM.
Yeesh. What a stock.
CAPT.
That algo spike. Crazy. Yeah. Like,
RXRX.
just watching this thing go.
NAMM.
NAMM.
Just watching this thing go without me. Oh man, what a stock, huh? That's the problem. I'm negotiating against myself here. Thinking this is not gonna work.
UANY.
Not taking the 4 breakout. Yeah,
NAMM.
430 is the top. That's insane.
IOTR.
ASTI.
I mean, I don't want to be part of the backside here, but if there's a backside, there is going to be that one.
ST.
All right, I think definitely missed this, right? Missed it all the way down here from $2.
IOTR.
ASTI.
Yeah, okay. Okay, well, I wanted to get into this gap. Let's see, 55 to 37. It's coming down. It's going to form a red gap as soon as this candle closes, I think. Coming into 53, 51.
G.
It's a good gap, but considering the amount of move it made and the volume, it may still come down a little more. So being patient on it, not taking that first initial stab, although could have been decent. So that's okay. So could have been decent, right? After trading all this CMCT and SXTP, my brain is like, okay, it's gonna disrespect it. It's gonna disrespect it. Don't take it. And this time around, it respects it. Respects you really well. So I like this price action a lot. Now it's time to trade it. So might keep respecting it. A lot of red volume there. Might come down on the next candle. Might take it around 38, perhaps 40s, low 40s. And I don't want to see this thing die out. I want to see this thing hold. Okay, let's see it. So the low of that is 37. So our stop is going to be 37. So there are buyers here. So if there are buyers there, it might actually hold. Okay, let's see it. 53. 53. I press buy. What happened? Oh, I could have never trade this? What? I'm watching this thing and I can't trade it? Oh, that sucks. What a move here, and I can't trade this? Nah, okay. Beautiful move there. Let's see if we can get in Weeble here. I have a Weeble open. Let's see. Good. Oh man, I wish I could have taken that. That looks so perfect. Man, can't take it right. Yeah. So we're gonna take 1,000 shares on Weeble. See if we can buy one at least. Order confirmation will be skipped. Okay. So I'm gonna buy one right here. Complete non-professional. Complete question. What the heck, man? Do you receive market data? Receive market data. Hold on a second. I gotta receive. Okay, now can I trade Weeble? Buy one share. Okay, cool. That bought one share and I immediately won. So how do I get out of my plan? What the heck, bro? Okay. So did I make any money there? I bought one share and it immediately squeezed. Oh man. How do I know if I made money in Weeble? I made 40 cents, I think. 54 cents. With one share. That's crazy. Ah, I can't trade this. Come on. Okay, now let me see. Buy 1,000. Okay, I'm gonna buy 1,000, but what a wonderful move that was, huh? Let's see if we can buy 1,000 here, but I don't know. I don't even know where my entry is going to be. How do I know where my entry was? Quantity. So say I buy one share. Flatten. Use flatten button to close your position. Okay.
USAS.
Sure. Buy one share. That was quick. There's my entry price. Market value force.
KOLD.
No, where's my entry? Where do I see where my entry is? Bro, I have no idea. No, no idea where. Build.
KOLD.
Not that percent. I don't know any of this, man. All right, do I need registration ratio? Name, symbol, PNL. Okay, let me pause this. Okay, I think I got it figured out. Let's see. What the heck? All right, looks like this thing is just blazing through and I'm not able to figure out Weeble. But it looks like looks like I have it now. All right, what a beautiful stock, eh? We're about to take 1,000 shares pretty soon here. If I can get a dip. Nice, nice 1 minute fair value gap. It's been working so beautiful and Thinkorswim won't let me trade it. Still, we'll see.
DKNG. NAMM.
ATC guys.
Switch out one more time. Nope, cannot work. Rewood is waiting for that dip. The dip to 58 into the 50s. Looking to buy, my position order is right there. Then I'm gonna look to sell later. Okay, so let's see if I can get anything under 58. Big gap to 34. We'll see. We'll stay patient. This thing is just pumping, dude, pumping so hard. So come on, give me a dip. Give me a dip. 51 is the 200 EMA.
BRT.
Here we go. Come on. We're gonna give it a try. Below 58. Probably keep it tight and then maybe catch another drop if it wants to keep going lower. Nothing. Interesting there. Interesting. Let me see. Let me buy one here. That shows up there. Average price. It doesn't really tell me the average price. There it is.
AST.
Okay. That's one share though. Now can I Control C? Nice. Control C. Bro. Get me out. It won't get me out at a click. Bro, are you joking? What's going on? Did I lock it? What just happened? Good thing I'm not stuck with 1,000 shares here, but I can't seem to be able to use anything. Weeble right now. Weeble froze. Okay, hold up a second. Okay, that was silly. I didn't see that notification there. Why would it put a notification right there? Why are you doing that? Weeble, man. Okay, by one share. Are you sure you want to? Yes, like order confirmations. Okay, let's try again.
NAMM.
Remind me again. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. How do I get rid of this thing, bro? Hold on. All right, finally.
SXTP.
Finally got this to work, and hopefully we get a move continuation here. Because, geez, man. Weeble is something else right now. Okay, can I even do this? No, I can't even buy on Thinkorswim. All right, looking for 58. Looking for a nice little drop to 58 and hopefully a nice bounce for some profit.
SXTP.
1,000 shares, yep. There it is. So there's a sweet fair value gap right there, 58. If it's been respecting it all day, the fair value gaps, you got to respect this one. It's coming very soon. Come on. Gotta be patient, patience, patience, patience. We're right on the day, so we're not really, we're not going too crazy, huh? We're just gonna take 1,000 shares. 1K, 1K.
DFSC.
SXTP.
DRB.
We'll be patient. Here we go.
SXTP.
Maybe a nice little drop. Pick up some volume, pick up some liquidity down there. I know we can do it. Single 67. Keep going, keep going.
CRVS.
59. Back over 60. Sweet. 59 was good. But I'm patient. I want to get this lower. 58, 51, 50s maybe. 57. 56. There's still volume coming through. Red volume.
SXTP.
57, 54. Ooh, drop. Interesting drop right there. I'll take it. In right there at 39. How do I get out? Oh yeah, Control C. Can I get out 42? Oh shoot, 39. I'm getting cooked here. 36, 38. Give me 40. Every dip I've taken today, man, it's just been miserable. Miserable, miserable, miserable dips. Come on, 40. Okay. Getting out flat. Yeah, every dip I've taken has just been really bad. Really bad. And this time it wants to bounce right there, but I get out for like 1 cent winner. Not a great dip. Didn't respect the gap too well. Gaps are getting disrespected, at least from this pullback. The low of it was 27. Sheesh. All right, we'll wait for the next trade. We could grab a dip right there, 32. I like this area, 30, 36, 35. Still selling. Still there's some selling there. Let's see what this next candle wants to do. Dip into that gap. So respected it really well. Nice. So 30, love that was 33. Missed it by a second. Was not looking straight at it. So can it hold? There's a bearish gap right above. Here we go. Test. Test 36 again. Low of it is 30. Let's see how well you test it. With a stop at 30. Now, bounced. Bounced, bounced, bounced.
TSL down. CRML. ONDS. ASTX. TSL down.
There were buyers here at 19, 17, 20. So there are going to be some orders maybe underneath this. It's respecting this red gap. It's a difficult area for sure because we have a nice little support here, but I don't know if it's strong enough for it to go higher. Might retest, come way down. If it goes, then we're going back to highs. That would be nice. We'll see. So I don't have a gap, I don't have anything here, so letting it just go.
CER. CRNX.
Interesting. So there were buyers here at the low. We'll see what it wants to form next. So far is bearish. All right, I guess now I can trade it. Good. Came in at the right time.
UAN1. UAN1.
Hmm.
NAMM.
UAN1. ASTI.
Bro, that's a beast, man.
ASP.
UAN1. ASTI. METC. KEMX starting. UAN1.
Bro, these people, man. I'm the one struggling so hard, bro. Why do I do that to myself? Ah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Crazy momentum. And
UAN1.
Just on the wrong end of the trading this one, eh? So what happened? Like I had a gap right there.
ASTX.
You can trade. What is it? Right here. Right here. Stepping out. You know. Here. Stepping out right here. When I can. The gap is 34, bro.
METC. ASPR.
Dude. It's really so hard, bro. I cannot read this thing. I'm waiting for the pullback. No, this one. Okay. So what was that trade then? 946 CMCT. No, it's SXTP. Cannot believe.
ASPI.
16K, 16K, 10K, 10K, bro. It's like, I don't know how you figured it out. You figured it out. You truly figured it out. I'm not reading this market anymore.
Trading index may resume in less than a minute. ASTS. ASTX. NVTS. Trading index may rest in 10 seconds.
Okay, let's see. 403. Can I buy it now? I think I can. Yes, I can buy it.
NAMM. PG now.
390. 391.
SATL.
So would love a dip under 310. If you wish to give me a dip, 9.5. Maybe a little bit too high there. But maybe a little bit too high. 8 was better. Oh, sorry, 5, 4 around that area was so much better. Let's see. Let's see how we manage this. Hopefully next candle. Ah, really don't want this to go down, but I might be risking, maybe risking too much here. Look at that drop and that push back over 9. So there are buyers in here. We're gonna have to unwind a little bit. Hopefully we get a nice push. Hmm. No. I have to unwind a little bit here for a little loss. Yeah, I'm gonna unwind. Working with 600 shares. Not good, not good. Probably will add a little lower with a stop down there. We like this. We like the setup though. We hit this gap here. This bearish gap, we hit it. Now we're retracing, so making lower highs, lower highs. This is not the best entry, but let's see. How did I get 409 my average? Wasn't I waiting for 403? I'm kind of confused. We hit that gap right there. We might actually come down lower. I'm just gonna take the L here. Down 40 bucks on it. Dang. It bounced off, but it might actually bounce off this red gap again. Come lower. What is it that 409? Why did I get 409? I'm not sure why did I get 409. Okay, we're gonna look for a dip 399. Like I should have gotten an entry at 4. Why did I get 409? Man, I'm bugging out. I don't know what I'm doing. Today it's a weird day.
SK buildings.
BG now.
I'll try it again. Stop 91.
EVTV halted down. BG down.
BG now.
There you go, 93. Tight stop 90. Hopefully this works. Shoot. Nice dip down there.
BG now.
Looking at this candle, hopefully the candle holds that level. Now, don't want you to go down there. Don't want you to go down there. Nice, come on. Buyers at 90.
SP.
Buyers at 90. Could be a good dip. A lot of red volume there, but holding 90. Breaks 90, I might have to get out. And that might just be the day. But hopefully this holds 90. Sticking to my process.
BG now.
97, that's what we like to see. Some volume would be nice. I would start unwinding at 4.3. Start unwinding 4.3 for 10 cents. So this could be a bear flag, but maybe we could see a good bounce.
ASP. ASTX. ASP. MNTS.
There are some buyers at 90, so I'm holding. I'm hoping the buyers step in here and then we're holding this fair value gap. Nope, looks like we're coming down. Looks like we're coming down. I have to be careful. Nice. Okay, seller at 95. Is he getting bought up? Nice, 403. Beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, come on. I would get out 403.
CTV may resonance RCAT.
Dang.
IMSR.
So there was a splash of volume there. Okay, I get out flat. It retraced, so we're getting out flat basically.
MTS.
We'll look for the next trade. So it got right back over 90.
MDS.
Wow. Okay. How good are you gonna hold here?
IMSR.
Got right back over 90. We like that. We like this. 93, we like that. So we're gonna take it back in at 93. Hopefully we get the volume that we're looking for finally, that we grab that volume, we grab the orders down here, and we're gonna catch a nice move. Stop. Stop is 92. Nice. Break even at this. Nice. We got a Momo shift here. Let's see if we can get a nice move.
RCAT.
Over 410 now. Touching this gap one more time. But I think now we're coming with more volume. Come on, come on. All right, stop is break even basically. So we could hit this area here, 409. Nice. I will take it at 4. I'll start unwinding right around here.
NAMM.
Unwinding some right there. Red candle. We form a new gap. So the low of this is 97. About to form it.
GTX.
BG now.
Okay, 97 hit. Now let's grab this volume. Come on. All right. We're going to just take it right there. Nope. Not ready yet, it seems like. Retesting my entry, cutting it.
BG now.
Good attempt, though. Good attempt. Maybe I should have taken everything at 402. But I wanted to see 415, 49. Yeah, 409, basically. But again, I wish that was the volume shift we needed to just go over here. Ah, sweet trade, right? $200. 20 cents per share. What in the world, man? This is crazy. Okay. I know they're going to be buyers at 20. I'm buying at 20. Come on, give me 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, please. 20. I gotta keep it very tight.
NAMM.
Right there.
RCAT.
Nope. A little lower. 27. I'm risking quite a bit here. Nice gap. I need this push. No, I'm gonna get cooked. I'm gonna get cooked here. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm down $400. Ah, gotta eat that loss. Gotta take that loss in the chin today. All right. And lo and behold, it's back to the highs. Man, what a frustrating day, huh? Big swings, day of big swings, I must say. So, let's see what we can do here. So we can take a, I don't want the same thing happen again. Got in 26, got out at 7, at 4, at 4, 9. That's a really awful trade. So there's a chance we keep going on this momentum. I want to be able to see that we keep going. We have to hold. We have to hold these levels. Maybe we hold 30s, 25. I cannot hold. That was exaggerated. I should have gotten out like in the 20s on that last one. Now we're looking for a move higher. If we're sticking to our rules, we may take a dip here now that this gap is being formed and there's strength. So there might be a trade. 38. Below that was 41. So dip into the 30s. Dip into the 30s, I will take it. And I might even go lower depending on the candle if it wants to go lower. Because we have a nice gap right there, nice support. So taking a dip, low 40s, 37. I'll take that. 37 and a half. Not seeing the volume yet. I might keep this tight.
GTLB.
Nice. 42.
DW.
Volume showed up.
GITS.
Nice.
GTLB.
Nice. I want to see this continuation through 50. Come on. Can't get too greedy here. Start unwinding here. Not make the mistake worse. So, all right, let's keep it flat. Let's keep my stop break even now. Let's see. I'm betting that this thing is gonna open the next candle and we're gonna blast through this. Nice. Unwinding, unwinding.
GITS.
I'm gonna unwind everything there. Okay. So cutting the loss there a little bit. Jeez, man. So there might be another trade down here. If I follow my rules, I know I can do it. So there might be another trade with the low with a stop at 25. So let's see. I'm looking for it to squeeze some short sellers. Let's squeeze these guys. Come on. So 25 could be a good area to buy with a quick stop. So let's see. Again, there was huge resistance right there. 1, 2. So there might be buyers. There might be buyers right at 25. The low, though, yeah, will the stop maybe at 20s, depending on how it reacts. So let's see. Because there might be another leg, and I don't want to miss the next leg. So let's take a dip. The 25s, come on, show me the money. Hmm.
ARBE.
GYTS.
Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Looking for 25. Let's see how it pushes, the weight's coming down under 30. If it reclaims 30 really quickly, and it's going to be a good move. And I'm betting that's what's going to happen. I'm betting buyers are sitting right under 30. We'll see. There's no green volume yet. Just gotta be patient. Could be another reattempt at 50, so I'm looking for that reattempt. Another attempt at 50.
SUUN.
Waiting for it, waiting for it. $29, $29 and 34 spread, so it's a 6-cent spread. Pretty wild spread, huh? 22, 20. Let's take 22. 20 seemed like a pretty big buyer. It's in at 23. No, taking it off. Taking it off. Let me see what's under 20. Let me see 20 again. Looks like it's coming down. I'm seeing a lot of red. A lot of red on the tape there. Huh. Maybe 23 was good. Ah, hard to say. Hard to say. Wow. That was good then. Wow, look at that. So it worked. So I was right. There were buyers here. I didn't trust it. Now it's,
SUUN.
man, look at that, man. That's like a $400 winner right there. Can't think about it in terms of money, but it's just kind of surprising to see. So now we're gonna look for our next trade. Um, Crazy moves. Crazy, crazy moves.
NAMM.
Just a little more patience, right?
and NAMM.
Now we may see $5. That reattempt is what I wanted to see. Spreads are pretty tight, which is what I like. Don't want to buy it high.
And NAMM.
Short sellers are getting squeezed. Lots of buyers right there. My intuition was correct, but the execution was not all the way there. So now 437, 454. Now what I could do is a dip into the 454s. There's a buyers in the 50s. 56 was a big buyer. Quickly reclaimed 60.
ASP9.
Over 67. Dude, if 70 prints, this could freaking blast. Oh. Dude, if 70 prints, yeah, 70 printed, but it's getting rejected.
QBT X.
It's rejecting. Hmm. Um, Now what? Now what?
ARVE.
ADTS.
We'll try to dip into this area. At this point, we're going to be here till 4 p.m. So we'll try to dip into this area, 440s. I'm looking for it to hold 440s. Huge rejection here. It might still keep going. Like, that's the thing. It might not even dip. It might just dip like 450s and do it. I'm so bullish on this thing, man. Like, it might not even, it goes 450s, it might be over. Get rid of this 200. Get rid of this. Yeah. So we'll see. Keeping a close eye on it. So below 54 will be ideal for me. With a stop around 37. That's, even though that's a huge stop, I'll try to manage it. Dang. That's the thing. It didn't even give that move. It was holding so strong. So give a quick dip under 60 and back over 60. Is this gonna do it? It might actually do it. We go see $5 dip. Gonna form a gap here.
And
Watching this.
ALT.
Think about it, it's just going, you know.
GTLV.
They below 41, 80, they below 80.
And
We got a high of day of 22. Dip into that gap, 69, 68, 65, 62. 62 could be a fantastic dip. A lot of selling. Yep, a lot of selling. Dang, what did I lose there? 65 to 59. Yeah. Dang. So, yeah, timing on this is awful. Like, the dips are not holding. This went, it held here, it went, comes back down. Ah, what now? What now? I want to buy a good dip, man. I want to buy a good entry on a dip, on a fair value gap, but it's not giving me those entries. And I'm basically wrestling with this thing, man. So, it might do 54 now. How much do I want it now? 40s?
GTLV.
We might hit a massive flush. We might hit a massive flush.
GTLB.
I see a massive flush.
GTLB.
51. Gonna wait. 47. 34 was the low. I didn't even see 34.
GTLB.
IOBT.
ILBT.
Gonna see if I can get in 30s. Below that was 34. Next candle. I'm looking for this to shake out some people.
IOBT.
43 was a good spot. Ah, but no, 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 no.
IOBT.
I still want lower.
EFSC.
44, 48. Hopefully it doesn't die. 43, 40. Don't die, don't die. $40 on that low. Not bad. 40 on that low is not bad. $30 left. Man, we saw what a crazy move, you know? And I think maybe that's it. If he doesn't want to play anymore, it might be it. There's a buyer at 45. This thing is holding, bro. 46. There are buyers, man. There are buyers here. Back over 50. Back down 46. Dude, what's going on with this stock? 43. Kind of did something like that here. It's gonna go sideways for like 10 minutes. 40 could be a good place. 40 could be a good spot. We're still within this fair value gap. 42. A lot of selling there. 40, 38, 36. Nah. Is that it? That would suck. Okay. Gap disrespected. Or maybe not. Back over 40. Look at this thing, bro. Just when you think it's gonna fake everything out. Hmm. 34 double bottom. That's a nice volume shift. It's a nice volume shift. So I need to see how well it reacts when it gets sold into right now. Because we have 15 minutes for this market to close, and we may see one last final squeeze here. 48.
GTLB.
Let me see that. Let me see that. 48, 47. Come on. Let me see that.
SXTP.
There it is. 40. 46. But that's a crazy spread. I might get cooked here because that was a crazy spread. But let's see. That will be my last trade. That was a crazy spread. I saw 40 on the bid, but 46 on the ask, and I got filled 46. So either we make it or we break it here, man. Stop. We're within this gap. This whole gap is liquidity that I want to see. So My stop is going to be probably 40. 40, 34. Yeah, I mean, not a big fan of that spread. I wish I got in like 42. You know, I'd be having a good entry. But we have to expect the unexpected here. So if this wants to play the last 30 minutes, the last 20 minutes actually, we're gonna have to take it. We're gonna have to play with it. So we're holding this thing for 60. That's a risky trade, right? This is a risky trade.
ALT.
39, back over 40, 43 on the ask.
SNDK.
I can't tell if I'm being stubborn or I'm just kind of anticipating what it's going to do. Yeah,
SXTP.
this is going to be a bad loss today. I mean,
PGL.
UG1.
46. Okay, that's going to be 10 cents.
SXTP.
Yeah, we might eat a big loss here if it doesn't pull up 34. Yeah, eating a big loss right there. So down 540 bucks today. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Looking for that reclaim. No setup at all. What a shame.